Hi students, fifth exercise before up to 14 problems completed. Now 15th one. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given by 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Means that is the given area of rectangle. Find length, breadth. See these answers. So first one 4a square plus 4a minus 3. This is area of rectangle. So given that area of rectangle. Area of rectangle 4a square plus 4a minus 3. This is area of rectangle. So we know that area of rectangle equal to L into B. L into B means length into breadth equal to 4a square plus 4a minus 3. This is length into breadth equal to 4a square plus 4a minus 3. So find factors. Minus 3 into 4a square. 4 3 is 12. Minus 12a square. Take any 6 2 is 12. Find factors. 4a square plus 6a minus 2a. Again we get 4a. Plus 6 minus 2. We get plus 4. Minus 3. Last term as it is. Here in these two terms take common. Here 2a take common. 2a plus 3. And again here there is no common. Minus 1 take. 2a plus 3. Next common bracket. 2a plus 3. Next remaining 2a minus 1. 2a minus 1. Find factors. L into B means length into breadth. Take any one length and breadth. Now take length equal to 2a plus 3. Breadth equal to 2a minus 1. These two length and breadth. For example, let a equal to 1. Then length equal to, put a place 1. 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 2 ones 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Next, put a equal to 2. Then length equal to 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 2's 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Like here, when a equal to 1, find breadth also. Here, breadth equal to 2a minus 1 means 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 we get 1. Next, when a equal to 2, find breadth. 2 into 2 minus 1. 2a minus 1 breadth. Put a equal to 2. 2 to 4. 4 minus 1 we get 3. Like next, let a equal to 3. Length 2a plus 3 means 2 into 3 plus 3. We get 6 plus 3, 9. Like next, when a equal to 3, breadth. Breadth equal to 2a minus 1. 2 into 3 minus 1. 2 3's 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Like next, let a equal to 4. Length 2a plus 3 means 2 into 4 plus 3. 8 plus 3. We get 11. Next, breadth also find. Breadth 2a minus 1. 2 into a means 4 minus 1. 2 fourths 8 minus 1 equal to 7. So like when length 5, breadth 1. Length 7, breadth is 3. Like next, length 9, breadth 5. Next, length 11, 7 is breadth. This is answer. Second question. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. The given area of rectangle. Find length and breadth. Write area of rectangle. area of rectangle equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. This is area of rectangle. We know that area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. L into B equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. In that, find factors. Here 12, 25. 12, 25. Total. Do product and take any two numbers of the product. We get middle one. 15 to 300 like 25 into 12. 300 a square. Choose any two numbers. So product means we want get this one. Addition or subtraction we want middle one. Like that, to choose any two numbers means minus 20a minus 15a. Here observe minus into minus plus 20 into 15 we get 300. 15 20 is 300. A into a square. And middle one observe here minus 35 is there. Minus 20 minus 15. Minus 20 minus 15. We get minus 35. Like that. If that first term last term, first to last, take one with a symbol also. Plus into plus, plus 12 into 25. We get 300 a square. 300 a square. Choose any two numbers. Product means we get this one. Addition or subtraction we want middle one. Like that, choose the two numbers for finding factors. Here length into breadth equal to first term write as it is 25a square minus 35 place write these two numbers minus 20a minus 15a. Got it? Last term as it is right 12 plus 12. In middle of the term write these two numbers. Again now two terms. Take any number common. Here 25a square is there, minus 20 is there, 5a common is there, 5a take common, 25, 5 5 is 25a, 5a into 5a, 25a square, minus 5 is there outside, a also is there, 5 4s, 5a minus 4. Like next in these two terms take any one common, minus 3 take common, 3 5 is 15, 5a. Here plus is there, already minus is there. Minus into minus we get plus 3 4s to 1. Now common bracket what? 5a minus 4 and remaining 5a minus 3. 5a minus 3. These two factors means length into breadth. Take one of the term length and length equal to 5a minus 4 and breadth equal to 5a minus 3. Length, breadth. So in that take any, let a equal to b equal to like, find length and breadth. Let a equal to 1. Find length. Length equal to 5a minus 3. 5 into a means 1 minus 3. 5 into 1, 5 minus 3 we get 2. Same like length, breadth. Breadth equal to 5a minus 4. 5a minus 4. A equal to 1 minus 4. 5 into 1, 5 minus 4 we get 1. Put a equal to 1. Length equal to 2, breadth equal to 1. Like a equal to 2 take length 5a minus 3, 5 into 2 minus 3, 5 to 10 minus 3 we get 7. Next to breadth. Breadth equal to 5a minus 4. 5a means 2 minus 4. 10 minus 4 we get 6. Means length 7, breadth equal to 6. Like a equal to 3, length 5 into 3 minus 3, 5 3s, 15 minus 3 we get 12. This is length. Next to breadth. 5a minus 4. 5 into a means 3 minus 4. 5 3s 15 minus 4. We get 11. When length equal to 12, breadth is 11. Next a equal to 4. When a equal to 4, length 5 into 4 minus 3. 5 4s 20 minus 3. We get 17. Next breadth equal to 5a minus 4. 5 into 4 minus 4. 5 4s 20 minus 4. We get 16. So find length and breadth. These are answers.